how to make text move in CapCut. So if you want to make text move in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you just need simply select a project. You can also go with a new project. You can go with create a project, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with import, which is on the upper left, and then select an image. And once you have the image, you can simply drag and drop it. And now you can add a text. So go with text, which is on the upper left, and just click on the text, and here on the right side, you need to add the text. For example, I'll just simply use demo, and then you can just go with the font style and pattern and everything. Once you've done with it, now if you want to make this move, then what you need to do is just simply select the starting and the end point. So I'll choose this one as a starting point and the right side as the ending point. So what you need to do is add some keyframes. So go with the first part of the video, the text, and then you need to scroll down, and here you will have position, right? So under position, you will have your keyframe. You need to just add a keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, now go with the second part or the second point, and then just move a little bit. Go with the third part, again move. In the same way, you can just make that move wherever you like. In this way, you can add as many keyframes as you like. Once you've done with the keyframes, if you just play play the video, then you can see the text is moving. So that's how you can make text move in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.